For our next game, we are going to work with dominoes. Now, if you remember what dominoes are, there's this little bone color, and then they have like little line in the middle, and of course, certain amount of dots on each side. Okay. So on this one here, it's for 2 players because it is a war, just like every other game that we've been doing today. Wars require at least two players. Okay, let's get going. The directions are as follows. 2 players place all dominoes face down. Each player picks a domino and turns it face up. Players multiply the dots on the left side with the dots on the right side. The player with the largest product wins the round and keeps both dominoes. The players with the most dominoes at the end wins. Okay, so each player takes one. You put them at the same time, and then you multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 0 is 0. So this player would take both and put them on their side. Again, 4 times 4 is 16. This is 0 times 0 is 0. Again, this same player would take those 2. And you keep on going until the rest of the dominoes are all gone.